Welcome, guys, to the third episode of how we remodel and build a 49-room hotel here in Miami Beach. We keep going with the demolition of the part that has to go in order to have a space for the new building that we are going to build. You can see here in the back part of the building, we have the stairs that had to go. We're working on that now along with marking the files on the places where the new structure is going to be. Surveyors already start marking where the piles are going to be located. That is going to be in this area between the old structure and the new structure, so we can build a new building connected home. So please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, the notification bell for more updates on how we remodel and build a 49-room hotel in Miami Beach. Thanks for watching.